Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Remember, if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language classes we offer. This morning I was listening to the news and I heard an extract about how the COVID pandemic has affected tourism and the hospitality industry here in the UK. They were interviewing a guy who worked in a hotel up in Manchester, and he was basically saying that obviously since the start of the pandemic, tourist numbers have been way down. Far fewer tourists are coming to the UK, and as a result the hotel sector, the whole of the hospitality sector has been hit incredibly hard. Lots of people have been laid off, lots of people have had to take pay cuts, and the whole sector is basically hoping and praying that next year will be better than the last 2 years. As he was describing the situation and the impact that the pandemic has had on his particular hotel, he said that the firm he works for has been losing money hand over fist. If you lose money, or indeed make money hand over fist, you lose or make a lot of money in a very short period of time. So, just as lots of companies, particularly those affected by tourism and the lockdowns and the travel bans, have been losing money hand over fist since the start of the pandemic, so some companies, like drug companies for example, companies making PPE, personal protective equipment like masks and things like that, have been making money hand over fist. They've been making a lot of money in a very short period of time. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. It helps more people find out about what we do. Please do share the videos with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear any stories about people or companies who lost or made money hand over fist at some point.